Forget everything you thought you knew about stargazing. What if I told you the universe just got a whole lot closer? We're diving into the future of astronomy, a revolution that fits in your backpack. These aren't your grandfather's telescopes. We are revealing the ultimate smart telescopes that are rewriting the rules, making the cosmos more accessible and breathtaking than ever before. Prepare to be absolutely stunned. Let's begin the journey. Number 3. Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope delivers everything you'd expect from one of the best smart telescopes on the market, combining powerful optics with next-gen convenience in a compact body. It uses a dual-camera setup, featuring a 35mm aperture telephoto lens with a 150mm focal length and Sony IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor for stunning deep sky detail, while the wide-angle lens with a Sony IMX307 sensor captures broader sky views, panoramas, and time-lapse shots with ease. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 128GB of onboard storage, you can shoot in JPEG or RAW formats and control everything from your iOS or Android device. The 10000 mAh battery supports long observation sessions, and the automatic post-production reduces noise while preserving clarity. It supports alt-azimuth and equatorial tracking, making it ideal for astrophotography and long exposures up to 60 seconds. Filters like IR cut, Astro, dual band narrow HA/OJI, and a magnetic solar filter expand versatility for both solar and deep sky imaging. Lightweight at 1.3 kilograms with a 1/4 inch screw mount. It's ultra-portable, yet packed with pro-grade performance. Number 2. Vespera Pro Smart Telescope. A sleek and compact astrophotography powerhouse perfect for anyone searching for the best smart telescopes on the market. Weighing just 11 pounds and built with durable metal, this lightweight observation station features the cutting-edge Sony IMX676 Starvis 2 sensor, delivering ultra-sensitive, high-resolution imaging that captures celestial objects in stunning clarity. What really sets it apart is Vaonis' exclusive live panorama technology that lets you create breathtaking wide-field sky images in real time. The premium optical system includes a new field corrector designed to fully maximize the sensor's capabilities, so every star is sharp edge to edge. With its equatorial mount tripod head and fully app-controlled interface, even beginners can observe galaxies, nebulas, and star clusters effortlessly through the Singularity app. The Pro version unlocks expert mode for advanced imaging control, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and seasoned astronomers. Automatic dark calibration removes noise by subtracting calibration frames during observations, ensuring clean, professional-grade results without any manual effort. If you want smart, automated, and high-performance stargazing in a compact design, the Vespera Pro is a top contender. Number 1. Unistellar delivers a cutting-edge stargazing experience with the eVscope 2, a smart digital telescope perfect for anyone exploring the night sky. Designed for best smart telescopes content, this hybrid optical and digital system combines a 114mm aperture, an advanced complex lens system, and a precision OLED display for crystal-clear viewing. The collaboration with Nikon brings an exceptional eyepiece that makes every observation feel immersive and lifelike. With its powerful 7.7 MP enhanced vision, the telescope captures and stacks real-time images of galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, revealing colors and details you'd never see with traditional telescopes. Deep dark technology is a game-changer, filtering out light pollution automatically so even users in urban areas can enjoy bright celestial views. The autonomous field detection feature removes the frustration of manual alignment by instantly orienting the telescope and pointing it to your desired target. Its alt-azimuth mount provides stability, while the manual focus lets you fine-tune every shot. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, the dedicated mobile app gives you smooth, intuitive control whether you're a beginner or an experienced astronomer. With battery power and a compact design, the eVscope 2 makes advanced astronomy incredibly accessible and exciting. In conclusion, the best smart telescopes revolutionize stargazing with advanced features and ease of use. They bring the universe closer for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.